morning, stamping friends. How is everyone doing today? In case you're new to my channel, my name is Lorri Heiling and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And guess what? Today I'm going to reveal all the things we did at the Cozy Craft Retreat. And for starters, I gotta show you our little logo t-shirt. We had long or short sleeves and it says Cozy Craft Retreat on the back. And this is actually our 7th annual retreat. Oh my goodness, if it looks like I have some bags under my eyes, it's probably true. I should have put some cover up on, but anyway, I am in the middle of putting everything away and my partner in crime, Susanna Cunningham, is here and she's working on her projects right now because she's a busy bee at the retreat. She has been so much help to me and I'm so thankful for the little elves that I have helping me, but Susanna is kind of my main right-hand man and she works all through the year with me on this. So she's here for one more day, so we're just kind of enjoying maybe a little bit of downtime, but I'm busy putting things away today. Well, actually I want to show you the bag first because that's easier to hold up and show you. So we just have a cute little canvas bag, which you may recognize the logo, and then for the little tag, actually Susanna made these. They're little wooden snowflake ornaments, but we turned them into tags, and then she made a little banner with everyone's name on it. And you can't really see this, but there's shimmer on it. She put some Wink Stella on there, so just really cute to kind of tie in the wintry and snowman theme. So those are the bags that everyone got, and I should preview this by, if you have not received your kit, which I'm sure you haven't, we just mailed them on Monday, then maybe you want to wait to see the video if you want to be surprised. If you don't mind, then you will see the projects in advance. So let me switch my camera around and then I'll share all the projects with you. I'm going to start with the first thing that everyone saw right when they walked in, and they saw this little, it's a Totally Tiffany box. This is a 6 by 6 box, and when you, I don't know how to show this, but you can see that the snowflake paper is in the front, and we put everyone's name on. In case you haven't taken one of my retreats or been there, I always have a personalized item every single year, and so this year it was the box with your name on, and then when you open it, there's these cute little folders inside. And what we did was we decided this year, instead of using one paper pack, that we chose 5. We made our own little tags for the names of the paper so that when the customers cut up their paper according to the instructions, they would have a little pocket to put all the scraps in. And so this is the paper they got: Storybook Gnomes, Celebrate Everything, Gingham Cottage, Lights Aglow, and Sweetest Christmas. This is Susanna's pack. Actually, I didn't make one for myself because I have so much paper, but we had the pack, well, we had a half a pack in here. Or maybe it was a 4th, I can't remember. But anyway, we had lots of paper to choose from. So we had quite the variety this year. Rather than narrowing it down to just a couple paper packs, we made a huge variety of projects this year. So that was our little gift right when they walked in. I will have still pictures so you can see kind of the presentation of what it looked like when they came in. And again, I just ordered them off the Totally Tiffany website. So I think I'm going to just keep going with all the little gifts that we made them. The next one was this little pen goes with the snowman theme that we had, and I just made these. I'm kind of into a pen making kit, so I just bought this on the pieces on Etsy and the pens, and then you just build whatever you want. So that was one of the table gifts. Then another one was we had a cute little snowman hat that went with our theme, and we filled that with peppermint candies. And so that was one morning. They woke up to that on a pillow. And then this one's really cute. It's the saying says, "Do you want to build a snowman?" We all know that song. And then there's 3 marshmallows and the carrot nose and his arms, and then 3 little chocolate covered raisins to make the buttons. So that was a little table treat for them as well. And this is using our snowman, the snowman stamp set, and everyone got the snowman stamp set. Actually, we gave 3 stamp sets away, Brightest Glow and the Snowman one and the Hippest Hippos. All right, let's get to the projects now. I'm going to start with, I guess I'll start with the cards. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on them, but I'll just show you what the cards look like. Lights Aglow, and this is just using the trees and the dies. And they also got some of the Festive Pearls, the whole full pack of that. This one's a fast and simple one. This is called color blocking, and just a very simple pattern that has been used many places on Pinterest, and with that outline, and everyone could do their own thing on the inside because I always lean towards a sentiment set as one of their freebies, and then they can use whatever they want. This one, I can't remember the name of this one, this fold. It's It's kind of like a double Z fold, but very simple to do. And this is our cute little gnome. I was inspired by Susan Campfield for this one. She did a gnome one as well, but with different paper, but I thought it was a cute fold. This one is a little Christmas Scotty. Oh, I love the stamp set, and just a cute little dog theme one. This one is kind of fun. It's our Hippest Hippos, and we got this during celebration. He is on a wobble. Can you tell it's a disco hippo? And then it's kind of a fun fold. When you push it together, a little sign comes up and it says, I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. We all know that song. So that's a little bit different fold, but it was fun. So that's our Saturday Night Live tribute. Then this one is more elegant, using Lights Aglow paper. I didn't put anything on the inside on that one, but there's some gold embossing on that. Isn't that pretty with our gold ribbon? Then we have another hippo one. This is the hippo on the tight rope, and another fancy fold here. That one's not necessarily Christmas related, but I wanted to use him since we gave that to everyone. Here's one using the fall pumpkin set called, I think it's called Hello Harvest. And we did watercoloring on this one, so that was more of an elegant looking one. The next one, this is another fancy fold. It has a belly band around it, and then you just slide the belly band off, and then look what happens when you open it. It turns into an easel card. Can you see that from your angle? Here's the side angle. That's a fun one. And then just put it together again, kind of like a gatefold on the outside and then the belly band. So that one was really nice, and it hit. Everyone seemed to really like that one. This is the first one I came up with, but actually I did not come up with it. My friend Sandy Carlson, I was in a swap with her, and this is a total case of hers. I did everything. Sometimes I try to change them up, but I just kept looking at it like, I can't change it. It's just perfect how she did it. So I tried to case her, and this is, I even cased the inside sentiment. But anyway, thank you, Sandy, for your inspiration on this. And that was, I love tone on tone. This one featured the stamp set that everyone got, but we put some sunglasses on them for a cool Christmas. And that was our snowman card. Oh, we had so many funny memories over this little carrot nose. You guys, this is the smallest carrot I have ever seen. We are talking 1/4 of an inch by not even 1/8 of an inch. And so all along, like if you sneeze, these go flying. So in the beginning, we told everyone, now be careful when you empty your packet. There's this little nose in here, and we cut tons extra thinking everybody's gonna lose these noses. So we kind of made sure there were pumpkin pie markers everywhere in case they had to color them in. But guess what? Not one person lost their nose the whole weekend. So we were pretty impressed with that, but oh my gosh, it was so funny. The next one is camper card. This one I was inspired by Jamie. Oh, what is her name? Her last name, Jamie. I will stamp it up with Jamie, I think. I can't remember her last name. I'm sure you've heard of her. She does lots of videos, but she's super talented and creative, and I learned how to do that flecking on the back there. I changed up the camper a little bit, added the Charlie Brown tree, but the background is what I cased on her. So anyway, just a really fun card. I wish we still had that. This is a die that sold out right away. It was a celebration. So that's that card. And then we just colored our pearls that they already got, colored some of them yellow, and then the rest were the colors that came in the packet. Next one is our melting snowman. Isn't that fun? He's just seemed to be shrinking all along. And just a very simple card. It was fun to go with our theme again. Then we made a little gnome gift card, and the little gnome is kind of peeking out here, and he just stays in there. He's glued in there, but you can fit your gift card in here, and then just a cute little tag with that. And the next one is a snowman treat. I was inspired by a few projects on Pinterest, and it's just a Hershey candy bar inside here with Santa going down the chimney, and I just made my own pattern for the feet, and then this fur, and some people turned this into a card that was cute as well, so people got creative with this one. And then the last project that we did was this palette board, and this is just basically taking the sweet the candy cane paper. I think it's called Sweet Christmas. And we just kind of randomly put strips of paper on, super easy, with a wood paper trunk. And then they could use whatever words they want. I had the whole alphabet set there, and I chose joy, and you could do whatever you wanted with that. Some put Wink Estella on there to kind of glimmer it up a bit, but that was another fun project. And I just got these at Michael's. They are very distressed, so not one palette board looks the same, but it's just a fun background to build on. And then we everyone got 2 bolts of ribbon, red and green, and then they could make a little hanger at the top as well. Now we also had breakout classes. I think I'm going to bring those and show you in a different video, just because it's just a lot to take in. But like I said, I'll also have some still pictures to share with you. And then I also want to show you, I also have my host code, and I would love if you shopped from my Stampin' Up! Website. And if you use host code right here, I have a new one every month. I would so appreciate that. I'll send you a card in the mail. And then also I'm going to kick off my October classes. These are online classes that I'm going to change things up a bit. So watch for my next video and I will explain how that works. I'm pretty excited for what's ahead. So check back with me, and then I will share with you the rest of my projects. I think that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the weekly deals. There's a new round coming this Thursday, and there's a few days left on the current one. I haven't even had time to print them out yet because I have been knee deep in this retreat, but check out my blog and my website and I will post them there. But I just wanted to be sure and share this with you. I still have company here, so I don't want to take too much time from my friend, but I will get back with my regular videos and little commercials of what's going on in the Stampin' Up! World. Thank you again, everyone, and hope you enjoyed the project. And we will see you next week. I do YouTube Lives on Tuesday mornings at 9 o'clock Arizona time. Take care and have a great week. Bye, everyone.